Greetings, Irie Massive. Welcome to Chef Marvin's kitchen. Big up to Irie, enough respect for the opportunity to showcase the culture. I'm going to showcase to you now a 3-course menu that I put together that I'm going to show you how to make each dish from start to finish in this production. And on the menu we have ackee bruschetta, ackee and saltfish bruschetta, and a brown stew yellowtail snapper, served with a stout ice cream for dessert with a poached Basque pear. Just gonna jump in it now, and I'm gonna walk you guys through each ingredients that I'm using and that I'm serving these commodities, helping to build these commodities that I'm serving in these dishes. So I'm just gonna show you step by step. Some water. Let it simmer for a little bit. You can add a little bit more browning to make it a little bit more color. Kind of stir it in. Alright, so this is the color and consistency we're looking for in there. So basically we put in this sauce, our peppers or onions, thyme and scallion, brown sauce, and we can add a little bit of ketchup to it to thicken up a little bit. We add our little browning. And you can put a little bit of allspice and lots of peppers, a lot of hot peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers in this bad boy. And let them simmer down, And the ackee and saltfish finished now. I'm just gonna get ready to plate it soon and show you the final product of this. So this is what the poached pear looks like. So pretty much we poach it in a white wine syrup. So white wine, sugar, and maybe a cup of water. Kind of have it submersed in the water, in the liquid, sorry. And we let it boil for maybe an hour or two till it's nice and tender. It's final round now. And here we have each of them in order. So we serve the Aki bruschetta with a 2017 Riesling. Entree, our fresh yellowtail snapper served with Brussels sprout, coleslaw, rice and peas, and fried plantain. And we pair this with a light body red Sauvignon, Cabernet Sauvignon from California, and a poached pear with dragon stout ice cream and maple syrup popcorn. This is the final product. Hope you like it. Hope you make a few notes. And if you want to experience and try this, you know where to find me at Taste of Jamaica on Instagram. A taste _ everything _ Taste of Jamaica. You check me out on Airbnb Experience Toronto. Airbnb Experience. You can book Chef Marvin anytime.